Millen from AV King, just showing a demo of the Yealink solutions. This is the zoom kit. So your camera controls are slightly different to Teams. You've got multi-stream or auto framing selectable within the software. You've also got a view option here. We currently have captions turned on so that we can see on the screen transcript that the microphones are working well. This is a dual screen room with 2 in-ceiling microphones and 2 in-ceiling speakers for a room of this size. And if we use the mute command on the screen, the microphones will show that they have gone dark. The other participants in this meeting are other rooms here in this same building. So if we look at the second meeting room, just installing some audio systems at the same time. In this second meeting room, we've got the smaller system. This is the S40 system, also set up as native Zoom. Touchscreen, that's the wireless base for the expansion mic. The inbuilt microphones in the S40 will do a room of this size, but this customer wanted the expansion mic, so they have the option to mute from anywhere in the room, not just from the touchscreen. And as you can see, the audio is picking up quite nicely. If we sit down here, very close to the camera, with the auto framing, it'll zoom in on me here. And the final room is a huddle space. We just have this laptop joined to the meeting to give an extra external video feed. So in this room, we have the control screen wall mounted, and we've got multi-stream set up on this one. And obviously we can have different views. This is gallery, and then thumbnail would give us a bigger viewing screen, but gallery's typical for meetings of around 4 people. I'll just go back to thumbnail so you can see the camera or speaker or dynamic. And with this speaker tracking, I'm sitting over here, the camera will quite quickly, it's the top right there, zoom in on me. And if there was a person sitting over this side with a very sharp angle to the screen, it can still zoom in quite close, as you can see there, in a very small room. So that's an S40 kit with the wall-mounted touchscreen. And in the second room that we were in, there was also a wireless connectivity option, which is called a WPP30, which I'll make a separate video on. AV King for more information. Thank you.